Once again, a nice morning, and I have been up very early already when it was dark in the hope for a nice sunrise, but that didn't happen. There was just a big cloud blocking all the nice light. But a lot of snow fell once again this night. New fresh snow everywhere, all the mountains covered in snow. Very nice. Yeah, I don't know what I do today. I got a recommendation yesterday from a guy. He recommended me a nice beach, showed me images which looked very interesting. So that could be a good thing. We'll try that out, I think. Yeah. Looks like someone built a freaky snowman. I'm really not sure what the designer intended with that pipe thing here. Also has no eyes. What the hell? Okay, so we got the nose fixed, but what about the eyes? Yeah? I couldn't get it any better. It doesn't look too bad, right? I hope you like it. I put so much effort in this. So this specific spot he recommended, it does look interesting. I saw another spot on the way here and I wanted to check that out as well. Let's have a look. This place. There is a little red hut and it looks like you can go behind it, and from there maybe you get this little hut as a foreground and then the view on the beach to the mountains to the sun. Maybe there will be something. Alright, so I made the setup. A clean lens is very important when shooting into the sun because any small dust spots will be visible in the flares from the sun. Man, I have way too little clouds. This looks ridiculous. The clouds are so small. The sun is still hovering above the mountains. It's going nowhere. I think it's just static now. The Earth stopped rotating. Actually, maybe it won't look as bad as I thought it would be. Maybe it's not. There's potential. Okay, the sun is now touching the mountain. It's touching the mountain. Okay, maybe I give you a look at it. So basically what I will do now, I will shoot a bracketing series of 5 images, one at f8 and the other at f22 to get a sun star. f22 for sun stars. If you shoot with f8 or something, then you'll get a very soft sun. Clouds are much nicer. Much nicer now. At sunset they were so tiny and so few and they looked really stupid. Now this cloud really makes sense. I think it looks